Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Mississippi, northwestern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, until 2:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:02 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Macedonia, or 8 miles west of Richton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Richton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.